Kick your legs. How are you going to move if you don't kick your legs? Oh, you did it. You tried to let go of the step. You're like yanking yourself underwater. Kick your legs to get over to the side. Wow, good job. Kick, 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 and blow bubbles when you go underwater, huh? Kick, 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 kick. Kick your legs, kick your legs, kick your legs. Yeah, yay. Okay, go get the next one. Ready, go. Wow, kick your legs, swim to the side, swim to the side. Good job. You're doing so good. The next one. You got it. Okay. Underwater. Okay, kick, 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 kick. Kick to the side. Kick over to the side. Yeah. Kick, 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 kick. Oh, you're gonna try it out here? Getting brave. Good thing there's a lifeguard here. Okay. Kick, 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 kick. Oh, you lost it. Okay, ready? Okay, kick to the side, kick to the side. Oh, you walk to the side.